Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Telegram Desktop on Windows. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official Telegram website, desktop.telegram.org. On the page, you'll see a download option for Windows. Click the Get Telegram for Windows button. Once the setup file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Telegram installer. A setup window will appear. Click Next, choose the installation folder, and then click Next again. After that, click Install to begin the installation. Wait a few moments for the process to complete, and then click Finish. Telegram Desktop will now open automatically. On the welcome screen, click Start Messaging. You can log in by entering your phone number and confirming the code you receive on your mobile Telegram app. Once you've verified your number, your chats and contacts will sync, and you can start using Telegram directly from your Windows PC. And that's it! You've successfully installed Telegram Desktop on Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.